Scotty.
Boys and girls, here we
What's
are.
happening?
We finally, the glue that we ordered
Thursday.
how many bargain hours ago?
Thursday.
Yeah. Just finally showed up.
Yeah.
So about an hour ago, maybe an hour and a half, I've got all the back half glued, weighted, so that it'll stick really good.
It's got my race car lid.
So we know that it's going to stay in place. We're not worried that way. And it came out amazing. If Bobby wants to go inside to the driver's door.
All right, in the front.
Yep.
Come along. Come along.
It just did. It came out so nice. It tucked perfectly under the seat. It's got all the folds like it's supposed to. I mean, it's really, really coming out nice. It is. So I don't want to start cutting carpet before we've got like 90% of it glued, because if I pull it and not pay attention and I cut it and then I glue it, I've screwed myself.
Yeah.
You know, I could cut way too much off, so I wanted just a little. Let's get it glued in place, and then tomorrow morning, the second I get in, I'll glue up the last little bit that I want glued, and then I'll start doing my trimming and get the side trim on for the sill plates, and I'll work my way up to the front, get the front taken care of, you know, so we're good that way, because I still have to put the drain hole in for the air conditioning, so we can put that in and get that taken care of. And I gotta punch the holes for the seat belts so that we've got that in, but I can't do that until it's secure in place enough that I can put the hole in for the seatbelt.
See, the way Scotty does this is a little different than the way I do it. And I get them set, and I get it close. And before I glue, if I have to glue, because some cars you don't have to glue. But
Right.
this, because it has the kill mat,
Yep.
you want to glue it down. I poke the bolt holes for the seat belts, and I actually use that to kind of hold things in place.
Well, you can do it that way.
It's just different. Two ways to skin it.
Different ways to get great results. That's all.
Yeah.
You know, that's all it is. But I just wanted to make sure that this was as good as I mean, the guy spent good money on this carpet. I can't afford to be making any mistakes. So I wanted to make sure that everything was glued nice and tight before I make any cuts.
Glued and screwed, my dude.
Yep. Instead of screwed, blued, and tattooed.
Well, you know, that's later.
You know, well, exactly, you know.
All right.
But ladies and germs, I guess we will see you on the next one.